What's up, everybody? I got a quick update video for you on this guy, number 1000. So we're above number 2400 right now in our knife production. This one was kicking our butt over a year ago, so we kind of put it aside.
This is not going well. Chip there. There's like, I don't know if you can see in this camera, but there's like a wedge out of the top that's chipped right off. The top surface is all chippy. The corner round is kind of chippy. It's still, I think it's moving.
And now we have finally finished it. So this is a quick recap video. We didn't really film anything while making it, but I can show you what we did. So right now we are in the final stages of completion. Eric just etched the blade. So we did mother of pearl inlays. I'll go downstairs and I'll show you guys how I did it. And succeeded this time instead of failed last time, but oh my goodness. Yeah, so I'm thrilled. The handles are from a year and a bit ago. The blade is also from a year and a bit ago. Thor pattern Damasteel. It's still got some nail polish from Eric's etching magic. So, how was it working with mother of pearl?
It was a lot more difficult than I thought. Like, it seemed like it sands really easily. Like, it'll, scratch up on sandpaper. But as soon as you try to polish it, the polishing just doesn't get through the scratches at all. Like, those same scratches on titanium, I could polish with a felt bob, and they just disappear. Whereas this, it just seemed to not blend them at all. So I had to do a really fine swirl pattern.
Yeah, you probably can't even see it though, eh?
No, with 1200 grit sandpaper. I just had to make sure I finished it, on the perfect stroke.
Yeah. And it's anodized. Is that purple?
Yeah. Yeah, I figured purple gave the best contrast to the white.
Excellent. Wow. And the clip too. The clip is Damascus. Oh. Yeah. Super stunning. Maybe we'll get a quick shot once it's put together fully. But let me show you guys how I made the inlays. So last time when I was making the inlays, I was having huge problems with the pearl inlay, like not taping down to the fixture properly. They were flying off. They were breaking. See, I've got my little bin here. I'll show you. Like I had this guy. So these are from last year. I was trying to face the material down because it's pretty thick to begin with, and the material just flew off. That one's not good. So then I tried, this was with a big face mill. I tried with a small end mill, step over a little bit, same thing, flew off. Here's a little remnant piece. I did get that one thin. This piece, see how chippy it is? It's like, I guess it's shell. It smells like fingernails when you cut it, when you sand it and stuff. But this piece moved a little bit too. Oh, and actually this piece cracked. Look at that. So the magic that I figured out was, where did I put that? This stuff. Recommendation from John Saunders and also my friend Brad Southard, the knife maker. This is powder coating tape. High temperature, high stick, high adhesion tape for powder coating so that it can actually go in the oven and not melt. It's very cool stuff. It's about 3 thou thick. I've got it doubled over here at the end, but so the trick is you take, like I've got this fixture here. This goes on our vacuum plate, Vac Magic on the machine. I'll lay down a strip of tape here. I'll scuff it up with some 150 grit sandpaper, and then I'll also tape the, I think in my garbage here, pardon the mess. I will also take the pearl and I'll put tape on one side of the pearl and I'll scuff it up, and then I'll super glue the two pieces, the two tape sides together so that you got scuffed tape, super glued to scuffed tape, if that makes sense. I mean, the adhesion on this thing works so well that even that centerpiece is still there, is still attached. So you could theoretically make a tiny piece that small. I mean, you see how small it is next to my finger. That's good. And then the big kicker that I really learned in my Fusion programming is the piece was, say, this big squared. You want to keep all of that surface area for as long as humanly possible. So I faced it first. I took a 1/2 inch end mill like this guy here. I faced the piece down, 5 thou depth of cut, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Took like 10 minutes of just facing. I don't care. These are expensive parts. They're fancy. I don't want to screw them up. So I don't care how long it takes. So face. You don't want to put too much side load into the part. Eventually you can get more aggressive over time. But so I faced it down. I profiled around the outside, but I left 25 thou, which is maybe, I don't know, I'm guesstimating like about that much, maybe that much material on the floor. So you still have full coverage. And then I went in with my corner rounder and I corner rounded the top of the inlays. And then I gently, the final profile pass was just like a ramp angled down at almost no degrees, and it took forever, but slowly, ever so slowly, deeper until it finally, like the last job is it's just cracking through the last like 1 thou of material, and then it was perfect. So each piece took between 16 to 18 minutes, I think, and there's 3 inlays on the knife, and it just worked. I was so happy. I only had 3 pieces to work with. Done. All done. Very happy. It's amazing. Love it. Guys at Blade Show are gonna go nuts over it. So that's it. The powder coating tape worked so good. I'm so happy. I was using this tape before, just blue painter's tape. I like blue painter's tape, but I'm also using coolant while cutting this part, just to help like keep the dust down, keep everything down. I've got filters on my coolant, so I'm not too worried about the contamination. And this tape is not super happy with coolant because it's like paper based. It absorbs it, and then the part just starts going like this. It starts to move around a little bit, and that sucks. Whereas the powder coating tape is plastic based, and the adhesive is really sticky, really gummy and tacky. So it just works so well. And you can get these for about 20 bucks on Amazon. We actually have a powder coating shop super close by. So I just sent Barry to like walk over there and said, hey, can you see if they have any powder coating tape? And they had stacks of it. So we bought a roll from them, and it's really close. So worked out great. I'm super happy. We are bringing this knife to Blade Show, which is a week away from now. And then we're gonna auction it off at Blade Show. Super duper excited. So quick update for you, but hope you enjoyed. Thanks, bye.